They thought discarding you was a final move. They believed walking away would break you, silence you, make you chase, apologize, beg, and collapse. They assumed you would react the way they expected, with panic, with fear, with desperation. But now you're doing something far more dangerous. You're staying silent. And that silence is beginning to haunt them, because silence is not emptiness. Silence is presence. Silence is control. And the moment you stop responding, the moment you stop giving them access, the moment you decided to become emotionally unavailable, everything changed. Now your stillness is the echo they hear in their mind. Now your absence is the pressure they feel in their chest. And the more you hold this silence, the more they start to realize something they never expected. You were never the replaceable one. They were. You're here because someone discarded you like your feelings didn't matter. They treated you as if you were an option, a placeholder, a temporary convenience. But what they didn't understand is that you're not a man who stays broken. You're not someone who chases after disrespect. You're not someone who collapses when someone walks away. Most people misunderstand Stoicism. They think it's about suppressing emotions or pretending to be cold. But the truth is simpler. Stoicism is the mastery of self. It's the ability to maintain internal stability when the world plays its games. It's the power to stay centered, steady, unshaken, even when someone tries to make you feel like you're nothing. And in relationships, especially when someone discards you without thinking, this inner stability is not just philosophy, it's power. Because when you become emotionally inaccessible, when you stop offering explanations, when you stop being available, when you disappear without drama, without protest, without announcement, you shift the entire dynamic. People expect reactions. They expect anger, messages, explanations, and emotional breakdowns. They expect the old version of you, the overly forgiving, overly patient, overly available version, to come crawling back. But now you're becoming something they never anticipated. A man who chooses silence over desperation. A man who holds his frame instead of losing control. A man who lets people feel the consequences of walking away. This isn't revenge. This is reality. And reality hits much harder than any emotional outburst ever could. You gave them loyalty. You gave them access. You gave them effort. You gave them patience. And how did they repay it? By leaving as if what you offered had no weight. By discarding you like someone who didn't matter. By assuming they could always come back whenever they felt like it. This is the moment most men fall apart. This is the moment they start lowering their standards. This is the moment they start chasing after what hurt them. This is the moment they betray themselves in the name of love. You've been there. You felt that pain, that shock, that confusion, that emptiness that hits you in the center of your chest when someone who mattered suddenly disappears. And every part of you wanted to reach out. Every part of you wanted to explain yourself. Every part of you wanted to fix something that wasn't your fault. But now you're learning a truth you should have learned long ago. You never win by chasing someone who walked away. You never regain your power by explaining your worth. You never elevate your life by holding on to someone who discarded you without thinking. Your conflict is not with them. Your conflict is with the part of you that still thinks you need validation from someone who failed to value you. Your conflict is with the part of you that still thinks silence means weakness. Your conflict is with the part of you that still believes your worth depends on someone's attention. But watch what happens when you stop feeding that part. Watch what happens when you hold your silence. Watch what happens when you become emotionally unreachable. Suddenly, the dynamic flips. Suddenly, the person who walked away no longer feels superior. Suddenly, the one who thought they had all the power starts feeling the absence they created. And silence becomes their punishment. Not because you intended it to be, but because it reveals a truth. They lost something irreplaceable. Here's the truth they never expected to face. You were not discarded, they were exposed. Your silence reveals who you truly are. A man of control. A man of discipline. A man who responds with strength, not weakness. When you stay silent, they start questioning themselves. They start replaying everything they said. They start imagining your life without them. They start wondering if you found someone better. They start realizing they misjudged you. And slowly, they start feeling the weight of the decision they made. People don't regret losing you immediately. They regret losing you when they see someone stronger take your place. They regret losing you when they realize you never needed them. They regret losing you when they see your silence turn into evolution. You're not reacting emotionally anymore. You're not giving them access. You're not allowing them to drain your energy. You're not looking back. This is a revelation. Silence is not the absence of communication. Silence is the presence of self-respect. Your silence tells them, you can leave, you can walk away, but you don't get to return to the same version of me you abandoned. You're not empty. You're not waiting. You're not chasing. You're not begging. You're becoming. And that is what destroys them from within. The Stoics taught one thing above all else. You control your responses, and that is where your freedom lies. The lesson here is simple. When someone discards you, your power is not in proving your worth. Your power is in not responding. Your power is in holding your center. Your power is in choosing silence instead of surrender. Your power is in controlling what you give access to. Your silence is discipline. Your silence is a strategy. Your silence is a transformation. You're learning to walk away without collapsing. You're learning to detach without resentment. You're learning to value yourself without needing validation. You're learning to let people feel the consequences of treating you as an option. Stillness is not weakness. Stillness is a display of internal mastery. Stillness is the moment you become a man others cannot shake. Stillness is the birth of a new you, the stronger, more grounded, more resilient version. A Stoic doesn't play emotional games. A Stoic doesn't prove his value. A Stoic doesn't chase. A Stoic simply stands firm, and the world adjusts to the strength of that stance. You apply this today by doing one thing. You stop giving anyone the power to disturb your center. You stop texting first. You stop over-explaining. You stop proving your worth. You stop trying to fix what wasn't your responsibility. You stop responding to disrespect. You stop being available for people who walked away. You stop giving attention to anyone who doesn't value it. Instead, you disappear into your growth. You invest in your body. You sharpen your mind. You strengthen your discipline. You rebuild your confidence. You expand your life. You become a man whose silence communicates more than words ever could. You let silence be your answer. You let improvement be your revenge. You let evolution be your closure. Because there is nothing more intimidating to someone who discarded you than watching you rise without them. When you hold this frame, a frame of calm detachment, emotional control, and internal focus, you become untouchable. People begin to respect you differently. People begin to treat you differently. People begin to fear losing you. Even the ones who once walked away. Now reflect on this. Being discarded was not a loss. It was a revelation. It showed you who they are. It showed you who you were becoming. And it gave you the chance to choose silence, stillness, and strength. The person who walked away expected you to break. Instead, you became someone they can no longer reach. And that is the power you carry now. Hold your silence. Hold your center. Hold your mind. And let them feel the weight of losing a man who finally realized his worth.